From email marketing to social media to paid advertising as well. We've got you covered. We've done the research. So sit back, grab a notebook. Here we go. Charles and Keith, email marketing strategy. Hi there. So today, I want us to take a moment to look at this brand that has been buzzing a lot recently on TikTok. This brand, it's Charles and Keith. And today, we'll have to answer one question. What can we steal from them in terms of ideas and inspiration for our own email marketing strategy? It's a very active acquisition channel on their side. They use it for a lot of things. They use it in a classic way, which is efficient for the fashion industry, for whether it's fashion accessories or bags. And what we'll do today in this video is that we'll cover the main ideas that you could use for yourself as a source of inspiration, whether you sell bags, fashion accessories, whether you're in the fashion industry or in the e-commerce business. In general, there are good ideas that you could use as well. So as usual, the emails that I'll mention during this video, I'll wrap up everything and make it available in a link that you'll be able to find in the description just down below. So you'll have the list of all the best emails that they're sending with some assets. I might actually feature a few ads as well. So go ahead and download it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Mehdi. I'm your host here at Ecom Growth Studio. We're here to bring you the latest and greatest in digital marketing strategy, specifically for e-commerce. From email marketing to social media to paid advertising as well, we've got you covered. We've done the research and analysis, so you don't have to. So sit back, grab a notebook, take some notes. It's time. Here we go. Charles and Keith, email marketing strategy. So the first thing that I wanted to review in this video was nothing can beat classy. All right. Starting off with their first best practice, Charles and Keith highlight timeless looks every month, and they do it actually several times a month with the tagline this time, Discover Timeless Classics Collection. So they basically understand that classic styles never go out of fashion, and by highlighting these looks, they are actually appealing to a wider audience. And never forget why someone signed up on your list, why someone actually became part of your audience. 95% of the time, it's because of one of your bestseller. So it's easy when we're working on the content calendar or in the communication strategy or the go-to-market for new products. It's easy to actually forget this. It's easy to actually put all our efforts into pushing for new products, pushing for new collabs, working on new bundles, new everywhere. But actually they're classics because they work on your audience, and your audience is actually here mostly for them. So never forget to feature your classics, your bestsellers several times a month, feature them regularly, and don't forget that even when you're working on your content calendar. Classics, bestsellers, that's the first, and that's one of their best practice actually. Never forget to include your bestsellers in your content calendar. All right, the second one that I wanted to mention was highlighting next trends. It's about staying ahead of the curve. And Charles and Keith, what they're doing here actually with an email called Upcoming 2023 Trends to Know Now, they tease their audience about the upcoming products that they'll be releasing and encourage them to stay ahead of the game. What's cool here is that, we're winter 2023, and they're actually explaining to their audience, hey, in a few months, we're going to be spring 2023. Here is how you can stay ahead of the curve. And here's a sneak peek onto what's going to be working in a few months. So stay ahead, and it basically builds a connection, a relationship between the brand and the audience based on the confidence and on the value that the brands can bring to one customer. So highlighting next trends, always best practice. Third one, collabs everywhere. The third best practice here that I wanted to highlight was about widening your audience by promoting cross collabs, so you can actually work with other brands. By doing so, Charles and Keith are actually able to reach new audiences and expand their customer base. What's interesting here as well, and you'll see that in the file that you can download in the description just below, is that it's not just about sending one email about a specific collab one day and that's all. It's actually about building a whole strategy about those collaboration. Just making sure that you can send not one email but 2, 3, and make sure that your audience knows about this collaboration, because it pushes for new products. All right. Next one is about merchandising, new variants and back in stock email. These ones, from my experience, are super powerful and are amongst the emails that are, working the best towards your audience, and those are the emails that usually are bringing the most revenue in terms of email marketing as an acquisition channel. It actually links back with the classics because when you have a bestseller out of stock, the minute that the bestseller is coming back, the minute that you send an email letting your audience know that this bestseller is now back in stock, you can have it now. Well, your audience is here for your bestsellers, is here for your classics, so it connects also a bit with the first best practice. But never forget to let your customers know about what's happening in your stock, what's happening in your catalog, what do you have as a new product, what's coming back. That's mostly, that's the main reason why they actually subscribe to your list. All right, and 5, this is my favorite one. This is the most modern way of using as well email marketing. It's not just about pushing updates to your audience. It's also about connecting with them. And what they're doing well, they're actually encouraging their audience to share with them pictures of them with their products. So the subject line here is style and share to win $100 Charles and Keith gift card. And it's a great way to connect with your audience. They'll actually open the email. They're gonna either reply to the email sending to you a picture, the form on your website, but they're gonna give you user-generated content asset. You're gonna get them back. You're gonna be able, if you like them, to actually use them as well, and they'll really connect way much with the brand this way. All right, so that's a wrap for our video and for the 5 best practices that we can take from Charles and Keith email marketing strategy. I hope that you found this video informative and that you'll be able to use these tips for yourself. If you want more marketing inspiration, be sure to follow us and stay tuned for the next video. We're publishing new ones every week. So see you next time. Bye-bye.